day and welcome to my channel. This channel name is called Income or Premium, where we discuss how to make money online and how to make money through cryptocurrency, airdrops, arbitrage, etc. Now, I'm bringing your way today a new airdrops that is trending at the moment in the crypto market. Tomarket App. It's a simple airdrops, and we believe according to their roadmap, they will be listing before the end of this year, by the fourth quarter of this year. So it's worth giving your attention to, giving your time to. As usual, if you have coming across this channel for the first time, please do wait to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that when I come with videos like this, which I do often weekly, you'll be notified. And also give a thumbs up so that many more people can see the video. Thank you very much. Let's dive into the business of the day. Now, how do you claim your tokens on this airdrops? You can see it now. I'm farming. You can see farming here. It will take just approximately 60 seconds, 60 minutes. I mean 1 hour. After 1 hour, I have to come back to claim. Usually, I'm going to be claiming 360 tokens, no, hourly. Now you can see play now. This play now is just similar to bump. If you are mining bump, those in the crypto space know the decentralized exchange token that we are mining currently. You just click on it. You see this that looks like tomatoes, they will be dropping. Then you'll be clicking on them. As you are clicking on them, your token is accumulating. Just for that 30 seconds, you are clicking on them. Oh, okay. Try to avoid the bomb. The bomb is the black ball that comes along with it. There's also a white one. This white one, when you click on it, you can see that the entire tomatoes will be still, so that you can be able to earn more. Do your best to see this one. Yeah, this is very, very fast. So you have to target it. So I'm able to earn 138 tomato. No, this will be added to what I have already accumulated here. So you can also go to task. You can see in this task interface here, you can see subscribe to tomatoes, Telegram. I've done that. I've earned 2000 token. I've earned from BitGet. This airdrop is connected to BitGet exchange. So I have earned from there. In fact, if you go to BitGet exchange, you will know they have collaborating with this airdrop, with Tomarket App. So those are big names in the crypto markets, in crypto exchange. You can see it here. Download BitGet wallet and create a wallet. I've done that. So I've earned 5,000 tokens. You can see that. So these are some of the things we see in the crypto space that gives us confidence. You can see BitGet. In fact, when I visited the app, I can see clearly the support and the collaboration they are having. So these are ways of authenticating an app that we cook. So you can earn from this interface. You can also invite. You can invite your friends and family members. Each whatever they are earning, there's a percentage that will be credited to your account. So please, if it's your first time again, one more time, please subscribe to the channel. There's more I'm going to be bringing. There's more I'm going to be saying about this market. So all the updates, you'll be able to receive it and make the most of it. Thank you and God bless you.